Good morning, YouTube. This is GTA Tech 9 with how to get internet on your BlackBerry without the need of a BlackBerry plan like BlackBerry Internet Service or BlackBerry Enterprise Server. And when you see, I turn my BlackBerry on, it says CSL. CSL branded on the back. But I have a PCCW SIM card. And the data service says PCCW up there. You probably can't see that, but just bear with me. Don't want you to see my password. Okay, in order to do this, you have to go on this site. The link will be posted in the description, and you have to download this Java command line thing to uninstall your browser. And while you do that, he posted some hacked service books that have the browser configuration, push email configuration in there, and then you install the service books using BlackBerry Desktop Manager, and then you reinstall the browser using that Java command line, and then you'll be able to get internet fully working and even push email without the expensive BlackBerry plan. And just to prove how well this works, I'll go to BBC. There we go. Processing. Loading. If you don't believe me, if you think I actually do have a CSL SIM card in here, try it out for yourself. You don't have to have it hacked. You can actually, say you're on AT&T. You could just use your SIM card from your previous phone. Say you got a new BlackBerry. You don't have to buy a whole new plan. You can just use the data service from your old phone and download the hacked service books. And I have to say, it works pretty well. And I'm not paying the $40 for that internet service. And there you have it. This is GTA Tech 9 with how to get internet on your BlackBerry without the need for a BlackBerry plan. Remember to subscribe and rate.